All right, great. We've built a report and filled it with numbers. We've formatted it nicely, and we added slicers. We've done everything we had to do. In this lesson, we will look at the report and try to imagine how it will be used in a real-life working environment. Our report shows the numbers that 𝗬𝗀𝗀𝗄 achieved in 2015 and 2016. It provides information about the volume sold by the company and the margins with which it operated. But let me ask you a question. Do you think aggregate numbers are useful when we want to analyze what drives performance? They can be useful, but only to a certain extent. If you want to gain an overall understanding of a company's business, then it's probably better to look at aggregated numbers, as the ones we see here. But if instead you would like to understand the reason behind these figures, you will need to open these numbers and dig deeper. This is exactly why slicers can be a world-class solution. They allow us to drill down and play with the numbers, as necessary, in an easy and time-efficient manner. So, for example, on this sheet, we can see 𝗬𝗀𝗀𝗄's sales volumes decrease by approximately 7% year-on-year. We don't see what drove the negative performance. Which of the brands owned by the company decreased the most? Let's use the brand slicer to answer this question. Okay. The first brand in the list decreased by 30%. The next one, which is Buratino Orange, decreased by 3%. Then we have Buratino Peach, which grew massively by 170%. 𝗘𝘅𝗃𝗏 grew too, plus 10%, and so on. You can see how easy it is to find the top and worst performing brands. What will we typically do with this information? We will try to build a story around it and analyze the reasons for larger movements before reporting to top management. They will know we are on top of things if we show them the numbers and accompany this with additional analysis. The additional analysis will be easy to perform because our report is flexible. So, let's say the decrease of Buratino is something we definitely want to look at. We want to understand why its volume decreased by 30%, right? So, it will be natural to see which clients stopped buying from 𝗬𝗀𝗀𝗄. I will filter for each of the accounts, and it will be easy to find the names of those clients whose numbers showed the highest decrease. Albertsons decreased by 40%. Costco, minus 8%. HEB, 44%. Kmart, minus 24%. And so on. After we have a list with problematic client accounts, our story becomes richer. For example, we can report the overall decrease of volume sold was due to the poor performance of several brands. One of them was the Buratino brand, which sold 30% less volume. And these lower sales were mainly driven by Albertsons, HEB, Kmart, and so on. This financial and performance transparency is what every general manager dreams of. We hope you have enjoyed this section of the course, and slicers and get pivot data have become one of your favorite Excel tools. Thank you for watching.